All right, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how you could start a side hustle for free reselling ebooks. If you're ready, let's go. All right, what's going on, guys? It's Matt here. Before I start this video, I wanted to let you guys know I'm opening up some free calls here in the month of June. If you guys want to get in on this, I basically will sit down with you and help you create your business plan to get you started. All you got to do is smash the link below and sign up for a time. So now back to the video. All right, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to resell ebooks and make some profit. You can make up to $100 to $700 a day. It's super simple, easy, and it's not very competitive out there. So first you're going to be like, well, Matt, I need ebooks. Where do I get ebooks from? Especially ebooks that I could resell. So if you don't know, there's something called PLR, and I'll type that out over here for you in Google. PLR means private label rights. So that means you literally have the rights to do whatever you need to do with this. So you could just easily search PLR ebooks, hit that search bar, and you could have tons of options pop up. One of my favorite sites I actually have over here, it's called Free PLR Downloads. So Free PLR Downloads literally is a library of free ebooks, softwares, videos, and like newspapers and articles that you could use. So one cool thing about PLRs is you could literally download them, make them your own, and you could give them away for free. You could sell them for profit. You could do whatever you want to do. That's the awesome stuff of private label rights. So one of my tips and tricks that I'm going to show you right now is, and make sure you like and subscribe before I drop this tip, is you could use a site like Canva to go ahead and basically make your own cover. So you see cool stuff like this, like AdWords Annihilation. Well, that looks cool, but guess what? Everybody's probably going to use that picture. So what you could do is you could easily go to a site like Canva, create a design, type in ebook, smash the ebook cover, and now make it your own. And you could very easily, when you download the PDF, swap off that first page, and now you have your own branded ebook you could sell. So now I'm going to show you a little more. So they have a bunch of different topics over here. So my affiliate marketing ebook, which you could download for free right now, the link's below, was actually built by just simply clicking affiliate marketing, and it filtered out all of the niche books on affiliate marketing. And then I found one that I liked, did a quick read on it, and figured, hey, I could do something. Top affiliate tactics. So I grabbed that. Nice. It's only 18 pages, so it's nice and short. And I went to download. And now it basically tells you what's included. It'll give you the source file. It'll give you an e-cover. It won't give you a sales page, but it gives you a squeeze page. So you actually go to download it. Here, I'll go to download this right now so we could actually see. Make sure you're clicking on the one that's the actual PLR and not an ad, which you could tell just by hovering your mouse. So we'll open the top affiliates so you could kind of see what you're looking at, and it'll give you the PDF. So there's the actual PDF right there. It'll give you the squeeze page, so it'll give you thank you pages, delivery pages, and things like that, and a CSS template. So you could upload those CSS or those HTMLs to what you need. It gives you all the source files. So it'll give you the document. So the cool thing about the source file is that it actually gives you a document file. So you could go into the document and edit it. You could take things out. You could add things. So you could truly make it your own if you'd like. It gives you the e-cover, which is the flat PNG, JPEG, and then you're good to go. So you could use a site like Free PLR Downloads to basically make your own ebook. And I highly suggest doing that, especially if you're getting into affiliate marketing, because when you're collecting that elusive email list, you need something to trade. So you want people to trade their email for some value back for free, and this is a great time to jump in on value. So another thing you could do is you could now take it and you could go resell it on Etsy. You could sell ebooks pretty much anywhere online. using any of the sites that I gave you earlier, like Payhip, Gumroad. You could upload those and you could sell those for a flat fee, whether it's $1 an ebook, whether it's $5 an ebook. Because guess what? You now invested basically no money into grabbing the ebook, making it your own. Spent like 5 to 10 minutes on Canva making your own cover for it, and then go ahead and you upload it to try to resell it or trade it off for an email value. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, make sure you comment below and let me know, and smash that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.